Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about a map of India. In this we will discuss about Indian states and their capitals and union territories. So as we know that at present India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So first of all we discuss about our Indian states and their capitals. After this we will discuss about a location of different or each state or each union territories on the map of India. So first one is Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amaravati. Basically, Andhra Pradesh was the first Indian state that formed on the basis of language in the year of 1956. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. And next is Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Next, fourth number Bihar. Its capital is Patna. Fifth number Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Naya Raipur, or we can say the Raipur. Next is Goa, a smallest state of India. Its capital is Panji. Seventh number Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Next is eighth number our neighboring country. Neighboring state. Its capital is Chandigarh. So also next is also a neighboring state. Its capital is Shimla. So next is 10th number Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. 11th number Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru, or we can say that Bangalore. Former name is Bangalore. Okay. Next is 12th number Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Next is 13th number Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. 14th number Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. 15th number Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. 16th number Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. So basically Meghalaya, we can say that a house of clouds. That's why Meghalaya. Okay. Next is 17th number Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. 18th number Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Okay. Next is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Next is our states. Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Next is largest state of India, Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Next is 22nd Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok. And next is Telangana. So this state basically formed in the year of 2014. Okay. Its capital is Hyderabad. Next is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh. This is a most populous state of India. Its capital is Lucknow. So next is Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. Last is West Bengal. Its capital is Calcutta. So if we talk about union territories, there are 8 union territories of India at present. So first one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Its capital is Port Blair. Next is Chandigarh. Next is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. So most of the students confuse in these two union territories. But in the year of 2019, a bill passed in the Lok Sabha, also in the Rajya Sabha. At present, both union territories merge with each other, known as a single union territories is known as a Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Its capital is Daman. Next is Delhi. Fifth number Lakshadweep. its capital is Kavaratti. Next is Puducherry, yep, Pondicherry, its capital is Pondicherry. And after the revoke of 370 article in the Jammu and Kashmir, after this Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories known as Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, now we will discuss about Indian states, Indian states and their capitals, locations basically, where these states located in map of India. So first of all, we discuss about states and their locations. So first one is Himachal Pradesh in the upper side or northern side of India. Next is Punjab, and lower side of Punjab is Haryana. And next is Uttarakhand, and comes down in the western side Rajasthan. The largest state of India, its capital is Jaipur. And next is Gujarat, its capital is Gandhinagar. So basically Gujarat is share the boundary with Pakistan. And next is Maharashtra, its capital Bombay. Next is smallest state of India is Goa, its capital is Panji, located here. And next is Karnataka. And next is Kerala in the southern states. So next is Tamil Nadu, and upper side of Tamil Nadu is Andhra Pradesh. And next is Telangana. Here is located is Telangana. And next is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. On the western side of Odisha, you can see Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur. Eastern side of Chhattisgarh or northern side of Odisha, a state or mineral state Jharkhand located, which is famous for its minerals. Okay, next is West Bengal, which share the boundary with Bangladesh. And upper side Bihar, its capital is Patna. And next is Uttar Pradesh, its capital is Lucknow, which share boundary with Nepal. So here is a very small state is Sikkim, you can see here. And lower side of Sikkim, you can see the narrow strip or a path or a road, it called as a chicken neck of India. So comes on northeastern side, these states are called Seven Sisters. These are called Seven Sisters. Okay, so these Seven Sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. I repeat, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. So next we will discuss about our neighboring countries of India. There are total neighboring countries are 7 of India. First one is Pakistan, which is located in the northwest side of India. And next is China, which is located in the northern side of India. And here is Nepal. It's also located in the northern side of India. And next is Bhutan, means north. It is located in the northeastern side of India. And next is Myanmar. It's located in the eastern side of India. And next is Bangladesh, which is located in the eastern side, also eastern side of India. And next is Sri Lanka, which is located in the southern side. And next is uh, Maldives, which is located in the south west side, or it is located in the Arabian Sea region. So basically, these are confirmed eight eight countries or neighboring countries of India. But Afghanistan also share its boundary with India. But on the other hand, Afghanistan just only share its boundary with POK. So at present, POK basically are not a part of India. So basically, इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट्स इसको मानता है कि जो POK है वो इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं है, बट इंडिया उसको अपना पार्ट मानते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन आल्सो से अफगानिस्तान आल्सो आर नेबरिंग country. Okay, understand? Next is standard meridian. So basically, standard meridians of India is on 82.5 degree east, which is passes through near the Mirzapur, which is located near Allahabad. Okay, it's a standard meridian which confirm or decide the time of India. Okay, and next is Tropic of Cancer. So as we know that in the summer season में क्या है, जो सन रेज हैं fall vertically on Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer passes on the latitude of 23.5 degree north. Okay, understand? And next is a northern, southern, and eastern and westernmost points of India. So first of all, we discuss about the northernmost point of India. It's a Indra Col, which is located in the Siachen Glacier. Okay. And we talk about the in southern side, it's a Indra Point, which is located in the Nicobar Island. So Andaman and Nicobar Island, basically Indra Point, merged in the oceans in the year of 2004. Okay. Basically, that's why we say from Indra to Indra. Indra से Indra तक. Always remember, and Indra से Indra तक, or we can say from Indra to Indra. Okay. Now next is, if we talk about the easternmost point of India, it's Kibithu. Okay, Kibithu, Kibithu. And westernmost point is Gohar Moti. Gohar या Gohar Moti, which located in the Kutch region. Okay. So basically, this is a map or location of states and easternmost, southernmost, westernmost, and northernmost points of India. And we also discuss about a standard meridian and Tropic of Cancer. This topic is basically related to your first chapter of geography, India, location and site. So next map work is related to French Revolution, chapter number 1 of history. So there is few locations related to that chapter. So first one is, it is a map of France. So your first important location is Paris. Okay. And next is Nantes. And next is Bordeaux. And next is Marseille. So I repeat, first one is Paris, Nantes, Bordeaux, and Marseille. So basically these four cities are most important city during the French Revolution. Okay, understand? So please revise these topics or this map work for your Zoom class. I will ask some question related to this chapter or these maps. Okay, thank you. Take care.